What's great about a fixed dental prosthesis is the jawbone is going to be maintained due to the fact that implants are placed. Patients don't run the risk that over time their jawbone deteriorates a little bit. With the use of implants, that bone and that stability of the jaw is going to be maintained over time. And because of that, the ability to function is going to be enhanced and is going to most closely resemble the feeling of having natural teeth. It's a fully customizable process. Start to finish, it's a lengthy, complicated process, but patients will find comfort in knowing that at our practice, we are confident in our ability to navigate you from A to Z in this process. And the end outcome is going to be the quality of life. Enhancement will speak for itself.